Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you step by step how to use Emergent AI to create your SaaS automations without writing a single line of code. Now by the end of this video, you'll have your own fully functional no-code app ready to deploy. Now before we get started, if you haven't signed up yet for Emergent, make sure to click our affiliate link given in the video description, or as seen here, or you can also use our coupon code to get some additional discounts when upgrading your account. Now with that note, let's start the video. So hey everyone, we'll be looking at Emergent AI. It's an AI-powered platform backed by Y Combinator that builds full-stack web and mobile apps from simple text description. Now it uses multiple specialized agents that you can think of as your development team. They code, test, debug, and deploy everything automatically so you don't have to. When dealing with Emergent, we're not just talking about prototypes. These are production-ready applications with real features and configurations as you wish, and automatic deployment of your application ready for use by anyone. Now, over 2 million apps have been built on this platform, and right now, let me show you exactly how to do it. Now, all you really have to do is input any description in this chat bar here, simple to any LLM interface you might see. Just input what type of app specifications and characteristics you might have wanted to have, and it will build it all by itself while asking clarifications along the way. Now, let me prove it to you. I'm going to build a full task management app right now in real time. So here, I already have a pre-made prompt for a task management app. You can see it right here. And all you have to do is press enter or click this enter button. And it's going to build. And you can see in real time, it shows you what it's doing, the progress it's have, and what steps it's going to take along the way. Now, every now and then, it's going to ask you some clarifying questions on what to do, what not to do, and if it's allowed to do something it thinks is best for the app. So like here, this is one of the intelligent questions that the agent AI built into Emergent asks for your application. Something like the details about your application, which additional features would you like, and any notification. So let's answer these questions. Let's say it's a single shared space. Let's do advanced task features. Let's just do JWT based on custom auth. And no, in-app only. Notifications. And if you didn't specify design preference, then it's going to clarify with you. Let's just do a generic modern blue design. Just to start, just to show you the power of this app. Now, once you enter the questions, the answers to the question, it's going to continue building, showing you each exact step it's going to take. See, the agent is now processing the next step. And don't worry, when the app is finished, you can continue chatting with the agent to make more changes, to make more additions, to add more features, to connect it to other services even, as long as you have the endpoints ready. And the app will even guide you along the way. You can ask it questions on how to do exactly what you want to do. See here, it's working identically. Now, we'll have to clarify that this website uses credits to your name. Now, in my paid plan, I have 100 credits available. But if you want to build for free, there are 10 free credits monthly tied to your account if you're not, planning to buy it. If you want to test the waters, build a single app first just to see how well Emergent can build exactly what you're looking for. Now, I'm going to give it a little more time to design, and I'm going to continue right when it finishes. Okay, now it's completely done with the application. It's fully working. And for your reference, that took about 3 minutes for me to fully finish it, uploading and all the agents doing their task. And the cool thing about this is you have an entire history of all the steps it took to make. You can see, if you can make it load a little bit, you can see all the code on which part of the page it made. You can see its train of thought, its back end implementation, the front end, and the key technical decisions it made. And really, you can follow through with all the steps that the app took. And from there, you can even edit it yourself. Now, without further ado, let's show exactly the app that it made. Now, you can open it in another tab so you have a full view here. So let's try. Now, if you remember correctly, we made a task management application. So let's try creating an account. I'm just gonna create one to do a random account. As you can see, it's fully built with authentication, email authentication, and the dashboard is modern, sleek, and unique. It looks well, and based on the features, you can add tasks. Um, let's say finish this how to. You can add a status in progress. You can add a priority, urgent. Okay. And I didn't specify this all in my prompt. Now, it smartly used agents, its own brain, AI brain, to create these features as best as possible for the best user experience. So let's create this task. And look, when you're done with the task, you can drag it. Now, this reminds me of Trello. Like when you're finished with the task, you can drag and drop it to a specific board. Now, for those who use management apps, if you're not, let's say, not willing to splurge on Trello and you just want your own application, maybe you want it for your own team, you can use something like this. You can make it yourself. You can add new tasks. You can, invite teammates here. Now, this is just sample data, of course. But look, it's fully working. It's fully integratable. It even has its own settings feature where you can delete your accounts and you can log out. And as you can see, you can log back in as usual. But enough of that. Now, from here, when the app is finished, you can even make edits to it just by simply chatting. So let's say I'm not satisfied with the design. So can we make the color scheme, I don't know, orange based? And it will analyze your new changes, new edits, anything you might want to add, and process and execute it to the best of its possibility. Now, for those wondering what tech stack it's on, it builds everything on React or Next.js with the front end. It uses Node.js as a back end with access to APIs. So you can connect it to any API that you have, as long as you have an API key. It uses also PostgreSQL as a database for user authentication and security, the file storage and processing, and all the other responsive mobile design is also included. And you can have automatic deployment and hosting. Now, as you can see here, there's a deploy button. So you can have full ownership and host this app anywhere, and anyone from anywhere can access it. So let's just wait for it to, make a few changes to the app. Let's see. Just now, in real time, it changed the entire color scheme to orange, to any edit that you had to make. Now, when it finishes, let's try deploying it. So you can see for yourself really how powerful such a service is. Let's just give it a moment. Give it a moment to process, and let's try deploying it. Now, this agent has its own thinking agent and testing agent. So right now, it's using the testing agent to see if the changes have been deployed properly. And let's try deploying this application. You'll be brought to this deployment page. You can even run a health check to see any blockers or any problems with the deployment before you do. It'll even show you the credit cost. But for now, let's just try this. Now, each new deployment will cost around 50 credits per month. So let's just, show you exactly how to do. Now, I won't deploy it myself, just to not use the credits. But you can see in the preview exactly how the app will look when another person, logs into the link. But it will cost you around 50 credits, and you can shut down the app anytime you want, and it won't charge you for the next following months. But it will cost you 50 credits per month. Now, just for some tips on how to write the best prompts for the best results, you can go back to the preview. Now, it's always best to be more specific when writing your prompt. If I just said build a task management app, then the AI will really not know what exactly I want it to do. You'll have to add all the details, all the features you might add. Instead of saying build task management app, you can do the longer prompt I did here. And for even better results, you can add extreme detail to each personal feature that you want. Second, you can test as you build. So you can use, again, this preview. You can use this step-by-step breakdown of the app to catch any mistakes or any changes that you want to do. Now, thirdly, you can iterate it in stages. You can ask the AI to build the core features first. So you can say, build the front end first, build the back end first, then add the complexities in afterwards. And fourthly, instead of saying something like, just build something, you can even reference websites. Now, this task management, as I said, it was really similar to Trello. So what I could have done is, you could have just said, build a task management app with this design, these features, something similar to Trello. You can even add links to website for it to access and reference from. Now that's how powerful it is. It even reference from apps outside of it. As you can see here, you can even access the code. You just have to follow this link and copy this password. It'll take you to an IDE, an online VS Code platform, where you can edit the code for yourself. So see, all the files are here. The front end is especially useful for developers wanting to customize the made apps for themselves, making their work just that much faster. You can even save it to GitHub by connecting your account, and you can send that repository to anyone, or you can take repositories from GitHub, open them here, and make edits directly. You can fork it, and even have ultra thinking, although that is locked to the pro account. Now let's talk pricing. Now normally, if you do the monthly, it's $20, $200, and $300 respectively for the standard, pro, and team. Now I'm on the pro account, so the features I just showed you are available on the standard. Now annually, you can save that much more, about 17% if you pay annually with each of the plans. But just to give a breakdown, the pro is going to give you a much larger context window, meaning you'll have more prompts available and the outputs will be much, much, much more larger. You even have access to ultra thinking, meaning the AI can handle much more complex tasks and give it much more thought and create a much more thorough plan when creating your app. And even as a team, you can unlock a collaborative workspace where up to 5 members in the team can work on the same project together, all from Emergent. So, what are you waiting for? If you want to build apps that much faster, get Emergent. Now, if you even go back to the homepage, we can see all the types of apps that businesses are building. There's a headphone website app, there's an DevOps manager, there's even a location-based memory app. You can look at samples for landing pages, more advanced apps. Business tool, there's a Discord welcome bot, a task manager app, just like the one I made. Or you can even make more personal tools. There are a bunch of showcases for all the types of apps that the thousands of users have made all throughout. Now, all that's left to do is for you to start building. Here's how to get started. Simply click our referral slash affiliate link down below. It'll be in the description. Just make an account at app.emergent.sh. And when you do plan to upgrade your account, use our code TOOLYSTO. It'll be in the description to really get more benefits out of your subscription. Now, what are you waiting for? The link is in description, and every day you wait is a day your competitors ship faster. If you have an idea that you're sitting on, stop planning and start building now. Now, if this was a helpful video, drop a comment to show me what the first app you'll want to build. Like the video, click our affiliate link, and if you enjoyed, thank you for watching.